Hey, welcome back and to my YouTube channel, and we'll talk about some hybrid techniques here. So here, basically for the adaptive performance based upon your weather conditions. Okay, so here I increased an incremental conductance algorithm. I have modified it. Okay, so we have modified that, to suit our requirement. Okay, so this is a PV panel and PV array here, and okay, once again, this is like we are basically working on the adaptation of that voltage stability and everything based upon your variation in your weather and other parameters. Okay, so this is an hybrid algorithm we are used for that, and so the components. I'll just walk through the components once again. We have been using an IGBT for your switching, and the switch pulse. You can see that it's generated from your. The input is for the switches basically comes from your MPPT algorithm, and the MPPT input will be voltage and current as usual, because this is in modified INC, but of course the coding is different. Okay, so it's not a default INC here. Okay, based upon these switches and the pulses, and the switch gets triggered. And what happens here is, okay, so we'll have an we are boosting the power, so that is one thing. Okay, so we'll be doing the boosting the power boosting, and of course we have connected the load based upon the power also. So I'll just walk through the graph. You can just look into the graph here. Okay. Okay, here you go. So basically, we start from the like voltage current of the solar, and voltage out. I mean the boosted voltage out, and the current boosted here. So you can see the boosted voltage here is approximately 450 approximately. Then the input was voltage in was around 225. So this is your boosted voltage, and of course we can see that the voltage in inverter here. Okay, and the power load, you can see the variations. Okay, the current and voltage, this is by default what you see here, and this is the voltage of the inverter here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for the power boosting, the power and voltage or whatever, so basically we be using the switches here, and this switches pulses basically comes from this blocks here. Okay, so we are given the repeating sequences signed based upon your switching requirement. Okay, so this is where your pulses gate pulse gets generated, G1, G2, G3, and G4, so for all the four switches here. Okay, so that's it. We'll catch up for the next video soon. Thank you.